Imagine waking up to a notification that you made $400 while you slept. Sounds amazing, right? Let me show you how I make $200 a day with $0 invested upfront, and how you can do it too with a secret strategy that doubles your earnings. The secret isn't the method, it's the system behind it. Today, we'll explore 4 methods and how you can use a powerful tool called Leadpages to make them work. First up, affiliate marketing. You promote someone else's product using a unique link and earn a commission when someone buys through it. But the old way, dropping links everywhere, rarely works. The new way is to use Leadpages to create high-converting landing pages. This captures leads and increases conversions, turning clicks into cash. Next, blogging. The old way is writing random blog posts and hoping for traffic. The new way uses SEO and AI-generated content, plus Leadpages to capture emails and increase affiliate sales. Monetize your blog by adding pop-ups, landing pages, and affiliate links. Then, print on demand. Instead of just uploading designs to platforms like Teespring, use AI to create unique designs and promote them using Leadpages landing pages. Share them on Pinterest and Instagram to drive sales. Finally, website flipping. The old way is building websites manually, but the new way is to use Leadpages AI Page Builder to quickly create high-value websites. List them on Flickr and sell for a profit. With Leadpages, you capture leads, nurture them, and increase your income. Try it free and start building your new income stream today. Take action and turn your dreams into reality.